idea. If we put it over here, yeah.
Yeah, just look how fat I look.
I think you look scrumptious, you know.
I'm really not.
Look at chins, yeah. I look like fucking turkey peacock and that. I'm going to keep fuming. Don't ever get with fucking English woman.
To the banks.